Hey, what's up, my friends and fans? Hunter Killer here with another episode of Pokemon Breakdowns, basically. One of the greatest games on Roblox, and I'm gonna be playing it. It'd be like the series, but right now we're doing great. Capturing Pokemon, got our first gym badge. This is great. Now it is time we move on. Sadly, I'm gonna miss this place. Great loot. That's basically it. All I did was have a gym, great loot, and a little bit of that. Oh, please don't tell me. Oh, come on, I cut the tree down last time. Yes. Well, I did. Oh, it's gone. Well, last time I did, let's see if we can find something new. A Pidgey. I mean, a Pidgey. Pidgey's fine by me. We'll just catch it real quick. It's a flying type. And he just smacked me. Here. Use growl. Yep, there you go. I won't be doing much damage from here on out. Oh, come on. Cut him. And oh, sand attack. I thought you were supposed to be a flying type. Baloney has been spread across the galaxy. This Pokemon is not. Look, I have some great balls, and I have regular Pokeballs, which aren't going to do that much because I ran out. Which means I need to battle more trainers. And the other thing means I can't just waste them on Pokemon, which I'm doing right now. But basically, I'm doing it to upgrade my Pokemon. Charm. No. No, I hate Charm. I'm gonna move Charm. Basically, Charm, all it does is just lower their attack. Now I have that. Let's go up here. See if we can find any new Pokemon. A Sinks, which I really don't need. A Pidgey, I mean, at least I could catch them all. Pokemon, gotta catch them all. I've been catching Pokemon since I was 15 years old, boy. You don't know how long I've been trying to play this game, and nothing has happened. Alright, you know what? I'm done. Wait, no, I can't use this. Forgot. I can't use it. Well, we'll just keep cutting them. Sorry, I'm sick. Can we just finish him before he charges up all his power? Yay, we did it. Popo Sinks. Never had a chance in the NFL. It's evil to say, but anything cool? I mean, there's nothing cool over there. So, let's just go here. Since the way has been blocked, we'll just go on by. And the next town is nowhere even close. Hey, it's new land. Oh god. Who is that? Oh god. You look like you love running, am I right? Well, yeah. Me too. I just ran. Oh my god. This dude's been running for a long time. I actually have an extra pair of running shoes. Here, I want you to have them. You obtain running shoes. Just hold the left shift key to use them. I know. And if it's not your style, you could change how they work for options menu. Try to keep up with me. Not again. He got stuck in a trap. I have no shoes. Wow. Battle me. One, I need money. Let me show you. Oh, please don't tell me. Yeah, battle me. Oh, it's Pat Rat. Pat Rat, basically. One of my favorite Pokemon. Well, it's not one of my favorite, but it's a cool Pokemon I like. Pat Rat is storing energy. Cut him down. You know what? I'm tired of this. Charge beam. Destroy Pat Rat. Anyway, this thing cut out there for a second. I didn't know what happened, but, having fun always. And I'm not even attacking him. Come on, man. Woman. Right here. Attack him. Oh, come on. I can't attack it. Oh, finally. Come on, stop destroying me. Oh, come on, man. Oh my god. Get rid of it, please. I think it's my worst nightmare right now. Oh, thank god. 120 experience. I'm gonna send out, you know. Oh, I remember Pokemon. So cute. I really don't want to do that. Oh. Yeah, this thing's so cute. This thing is one of my favorite. So cute. And so deadly. They almost killed me. Dang. You know what? You think you're so tough, eh? You're fancy Pokemon. Well, let me just do something for you, buddy. Let me just, you know, yay! Destroy him. Uh-oh. This is a special attack, I really do not want to stick around to find out what that is, so destroy him. Oh, come on. Stop charging your super attack. Num. Burn him. I'm sorry, buddy. I have to win. I must win. Poor kitten. I'm so sorry. Yay. Give me your money. Oh, Lynn is evolving. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-doo. Oh, that's cool. Why you show me two pictures? Just show me the picture, please. Aww. Cat. Oh, that's cool. Wonder fast moves. Oh, that's cool. My first evolution. Oh, Cat. It was level 17. Wonder if I can find anything in the grass. Oh, what? What is that thing? Looks cool, but I have no idea what it is. Attack it. Ugh. My god. I'm just confused. And my Pokemon faded. Haha. Let's see what you do. Oh my god, this thing looks powerful. Alright. Fire Fang. Don't kill him instantly. Oh my god! Killed him instantly. I mean, you need experience, but I want the Pokemon. You can't just take that away from me. Oh my god. Oh, this Pokemon is so aggravating. Makes its weird noises. I mean, it's like an elephant, but Makes weird noises. Oh, don't kill it. Or don't knock it out. You're not killing it, you're just knocking it out. Anyway, let's just catch this thing. Here we go. What? I wasted a Pokeball on you? Ungrateful. I'm tired of you. Get out of my face. I don't need you. Yeah, that's right. Get out of here. There's gonna be a special Pokemon ball. What the? Oh. Hello, trainer. Hey, you want a fair fight? I want to find out. Buddy, Camper Jason. Oh, it's Jason Voorhees. Oh my god. Fighting. Well, your Pokemon's almost dead. And you died. Oh, excuse me. That was funny. Oh, I just messed up. Did you cheat? No, my Pokemon's better. How can I trust you? Oh, just give me your money and get out of here, you fool. You lost your money to a greater Pokemon trainer. Someone who has a Pokemon that is stronger than yours. Ooh, I want to see what's back there. I can't. Let me just go through this tall forest. Oh god. Well, I'm lucky. Here. Let's just do one more Pokemon battle to wrap this up. Oh my god, I never let trainers pass me without testing. You won't be an exception. Oh boy. I'm gonna smack you into the ground you don't even know. Machop. Look at this, boy. I'm gonna get your face pounded into the floor. Take him out. Ha ha ha. Fool. You do not know the power of my Pokemon. Turricat. Yep, you fainted. Because your Pokemon is terrible. Level 18, yay. No, I'm not switching mine. Mine's just gonna steamroll you. Another Machop. When are you gonna give him a champ or something better than that? I mean, a Machop is good, but haha, buddy, if you're facing this, ooh, you're doomed. You are DOOMED, doomed, and you're gone. What's this your Pokemon again, buddy? Pancham. Uh-oh. Last time I fought Pancham, there was a huge problem. And that's the problem. See this? He has a lot of health, and his attacks are... And never mind, he does not have that much health anymore. And, his attacks are really strong, so I'd like to get him out of the way before he steamrolls me. Thank you very much. Can you just give me my money? Like, come on. You're not gonna beat this. You are a worthy opponent. Oh, thanks. Thanks for the 575 gold. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hope for more. I'll see you guys later. Peace.